Hi, I'm Andrea, the founder of EverjoyAI, and I want to take you through a tool that I've vibe coded in Lovable. It is called EverjoyAI Alliance, and the concept behind this is there's been a lot of remote work, and especially since COVID, people have been working, at home behind their laptops, collaboratively through Zoom, emailing each other, different time zones, and that sort of thing. And I was thinking about how can I make that more easier, sort of very, very incubated, where you kind of streamline the process, where you're not opening up 100 tabs, and you can just really focus in and work together and collaborate and have it all in one tool, one SaaS platform. And this is where I came up with this idea of collaborate, create, ship. And it also makes things much easier because if you're working in a team, let's say one person's developing, the other person's designing. If it's a website, one person is, doing the Notion template, whatever the case may be, or maybe you're just presenting to, a prospect, or you're presenting to somebody that's going to be collaborating with you. You want everything there, easy to access and easy to go. So I'll take you through first what the concept is. So if you have a look here, it explains each one. So for instance, Chatter is kind of like a clone of Slack. It has Slack in brackets. So a lot of people use Slack to communicate through chat and through syncing comms and things like that. And then you can upload an avatar and you can have like little personalities. And then the second thing is a frame. So I was thinking Figma. Sometimes you want to map out different design projects or different builds or things like that, or just strategize. It's good to have some sort of thing that's similar to Figma to do so. And then we also have Forge, which is kind of like the code repository, so just the GitHub version, where we can have all the projects, all the codes in one place, the coded projects in one place, all your builds, your vibe coded stuff as well, everything like that in there. Then we have Nexus, which is Notion, and you can actually go from top to bottom rather than top across, because then it's actually after Chatter you get Notion, which is like brainstorming and documenting the knowledge base, all the data that's collected in the meetings, or even just process mapping and creating that documented database that you want to move the projects forward. It's all documented in Nexus. And then Pixel is going to be your Photoshop version, and that's the creative editor, all your assets, the different things that you're going to use, maybe to do a pitch deck, or maybe the visuals, or maybe for the website you want to add in a visual that's not AI generated, or something that's going to be tweaked in Photoshop. Maybe you have a thumbnail that's got something else in it, and then you need a designer to kind of put that in for you. And finally is VidConnect, which is like Zoom, pretty standard. The whole point of this tool is to connect by video. So I'll quickly take you to the dashboard. It's very self-explanatory. So you kind of go in here, that's Chatter. So here you can see all the basic layout is similar to Slack. And then you can have your different company names as well who have joined, all in here. And then Framer, here's the kind of thing, and it's similar to Photoshop, but here you can click on different, the different fillings, or if you just want a plain rectangular, you can have a rectangular. And then here we have Forge, which is, you can see all of the different components and all the different things that part of that particular project, and you can have all the projects in here. And Nexus, similar sort of thing. Here's all your project notes. It's just a sample, but you can have different projects in here, and then you can have all of the weekly goals, the ideas, just everything documented nicely, and then your project folder. Pixel, here's your Photoshop version. It's a very simple version of Photoshop, nothing over the top, but it just does the job really well, similar to Canva. And then VidConnect, which is obviously the video. So I hope you like that. It's a quick run through of everything. You can also export HTML. You can export your code or whatever it is.